Like, it's actually happening. All the budding in the back. It's like...
He was like, oh, how long have you had your locks? Oh, like a month?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney Grayton here, and I am back with another retwist video. You all loved the last one, so thank you for your love on that video, and I want to make sure that I bring you another one. So here is one of my clients who everyone's loving over on Instagram, loving her locks. I'm starting with her wash, which is always 2 times with shampoo and then 1 time with conditioner. This allows us to cleanse the scalp and her locks of everything it's accumulated over the last month, whether it's sweat, dandruff, lint, her natural oils in her scalp and all of that. So we're cleansing that to give us a good base for this retwist. As I'm washing, you'll see me spreading her hair apart, and this is just going to help me when it's time to retwist. She didn't get a style when she got her locks installed, and it's common that when people don't get styles, the hair at the root tends to want to stick together. So while her hair is wet, I'm taking advantage of the slip that the shampoo and conditioner is providing to start the process of detangling her roots. This is going to make my job a lot easier when I go into retwist, and it'll also make sure that she's not in too much pain as I have to separate her locks. So here's her hair immediately after we're done washing. For a texture like this, you might benefit from using bands, and I do have a video on my channel to show you how to do that. I don't typically use it, as I mentioned in that video, but it's there if you were to need it. I'm just giving you a close-up of her coils. You'll see the coils at the bottom, and she has a lot of budding already, so she was very excited about that. Her lock journey is off to a great start. Here, you'll see a lot of that tangling I was talking about. Her hair is pretty much matted together. She's been doing a great job of moisturizing her hair and sealing, adding water and oil to her hair often. And while that's a great thing, adding the water kind of causes her roots to swell up. So they're sticking together. This is normal. It's nothing to be alarmed about, but it does take some time to detangle and get together for this retwist. So on her coils, she had a lot of unraveling at the root, which is common amongst coils. So typically I'll go in with my comb to retwist for the first couple times, just to make sure that we're making it clean and uniform and creating that coil again from the root to match up with the coil that's at the end. So now I'm getting to the middle of her head, which is the part where it was the most tangled. You'll see her face kind of squinch a little bit. When I'm pulling it apart, I made sure to keep checking in with her to make sure it wasn't too painful, and she said that it wasn't. But I'm sure there was just some discomfort pulling it apart. And so I try to just take my time. I'm extremely gentle with my clients. So um, I just want to make sure that because this is her first retwist, that we are making those parts as close as possible to what they were when I first started, because she's going to be doing her maintenance from now on, and I want to make sure that she has a good foundation to do that.
Ooh. Oh my goodness.
So clean.
Look at her. Hello, girlfriend. Oh my goodness, I love it.
Like it's actually happening. All the budding in the bag. It's like, yeah, these are not coils. These are locks.
Really? No.
I'm saying like that's what it's giving. If somebody
I'm
saw
like,
you,
yay!
if somebody saw you, like it's very clear. You know, they're locks, not just coils.
Somebody's hair I did earlier this week. She was like, "Oh, how long have you had your locks?" I was like, "A month." Taking my hair long for doing this thing at all.